All right, so this morning we just replaced a Badger 500 garbage disposal. So this is the old unit. Those are the instructions. And you can see here, this is the new unit. I already have it in. And if I just zoom around, if you guys can see the connecting point in the back right here, whoop, right there. And then the electrical is under here. Unfortunately, I don't have a plug, so I had to disconnect it. And then we've got this top mounting part here. So what I'm gonna do is just real quickly show you on the old one. This is a pretty easy fix. The hardest part was actually finding which breaker turned off the garbage disposal, because I had to go up and down the stairs a bunch. But, so this is the piece that came with the new unit, and really it just connects on. It's a pretty easy connection piece. So that is this top part here, which is already mounted under the sink because I had a replacement. If I didn't have the replacement, I would have had to, put that piece in. So if I take this piece off, really basically everything else is just taking off this back piece here. So unscrewing these back pieces. Oops, sorry, let's zoom. So, I didn't really plug these in. So you just gotta take these off. This is when everything flows through the disposal, it just comes out this back piece. So easy breezy, right? Everything goes in the top, out the bottom. This, we're not connected to a dishwasher, so I didn't have to worry about this piece. I think the other piece that was a little intimidating was the electrical. I'll just turn it over. So all the electrical components, I say electrical components, what I really mean to say is the two wires, if you have to connect, were just in this piece right here. So when I undid this piece here, pretty easy. I fed this yellow wire through. It comes in, it feeds through right here, and then you connect the one ground wire to the ground wire, and you connect the black wire to the black wire, the white wire to the white wire. I mean, basically you just put it back together. This whole thing took me 30 minutes, 40 minutes. And like I said, a lot of that was trying to figure out what breaker it was and then lining the threads up because, in the back, right, on mine in the back, everything is a little just hard to see. So, but yeah, so now we just have to let this dry out, sand it down and paint it a little bit. But pretty easy project. I was a little intimidated by it. Got this at Home Depot. This is the 1/2 horsepower Badger 500. And, it was, I think, 139 bucks. So again, pretty pleased. Let me know if you have any questions.